Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought that I should be sharing with you my number one coffee scrub recipe. This recipe is exactly like that of the Lush cup of coffee scrub that is there out in the market, but it is not really readily available in the Indian market yet. And if you stay in a place where Lush products are available, they are quite expensive. But trust me, I have watched their how it is made video of the cup of coffee scrub, and I will have the Lush's video linked down below. You just click on the show more button and you get to see each and every step how the Lush cup of coffee scrub is made. And I had just substituted all those products with products that are probably lying around the house. Best part about this scrub is that it opens up the pores, it clarifies your skin, it detoxifies your skin, it hydrates your skin, it gets rid of the tanning, it has anti-aging properties, it has brightening properties, it has the whole gamut of happiness and goodness for your skin just in one product. So without any further ado, let's just move on with the video and see how I made this Lush cup of coffee scrub at home. The exact measurements of each and every ingredient is listed down below in the show more button. All of it is for making about 120 gram of product, and I have stored my scrub in this recycled tub. This was another coffee scrub that I had bought and I ran out of it and made the new one and has kept in this. And if you have seen the Lush products, they usually come in a bottle like this, so it is pretty close to the Lush one. So for this scrub, all you need is some coffee infused, like brewed coffee with filter coffee grounds. I have used this filter coffee grounds, but you can actually use instant coffee as well. But these filter coffee grounds are gonna give you that gritty texture that is much needed in this product. And in the Lush product, they had used cocoa essence, but we don't have cocoa essence handy. So all I did was add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder directly to this coffee infusion so that we get the best of both worlds. For the dry ingredient, Lush has added bentone, which is a thickening agent, and kaolin, but we have replaced it with multani mitti and charcoal powder. Multani mitti is perfect to absorb the oil, and charcoal powder draws bacteria, dirt and other microparticles from the skin's surface. But if you are a dry skin person, I would recommend you to skip on the multani mitti and just add the charcoal powder, because multani mitti will absorb the excess oil, and dry skin as it is doesn't have much of an oil production. And for hydrating and toning the skin, Lush adds caffeine powder and glycerin, but I didn't get my hands on caffeine powder, so I just added glycerin and also jeju aloe gel. Glycerin is a humectant and also tones your skin, and jeju aloe is perfect for rejuvenating and hydrating your skin from within. I then added the ground coffee that I had previously used for brewing the infusion into the mixture to add to the exfoliator, and as natural exfoliator I have also added rice flour, which soothes sunburns and also prevents suntan, and also rose petal powder. I bought this rose petal powder from Amazon. I will have the direct link in the bottom bar. Rose petal powder has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces redness of irritated skin, gets rid of acne, and also gives you a nice glowy and dewy finish. And that is all. You just need to mix all of it together and the perfect at-home anti-tan, anti-sagging and glowy face pack is ready for you. How I use the scrub is that twice a week I use this as a scrub as well as a face pack. After I have taken a shower, I come out and just take 1 scoop of this scrub, just massage it all over my skin and leave it for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes it dries down, and then I just go over it with a cloth and remove it while exfoliating my skin. This leaves my skin so soft, supple, dewy and clean. Like, I can feel that my skin is so clean from within, and I haven't been breaking out since I have started using it. And I know Lush's cup of coffee is one of their best sellers, and this DIY recipe is the perfect equivalent for that. I hope you guys find this video to be helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the tiny bell notification if you want to see more DIYs. And if you have any other recipe that you want me to try out, don't forget to leave their names in the bottom bar. I hope all of you are having a great day. Till the next time. Bye.